Hello, my name is Mary Odell, and I am the school librarian for Doral College. Today, I will be showing you how to access Doral's online library resources. I'm going to share my screen now and show you exactly how to get directly into our online library. So the course that I'm in right now, each of your courses, this one is College Success, but each of your courses will have a link up at the top after the welcome and syllabus information and before your weeks begin with your modules and your units. It's called Library Resources or LIRN. If you click on that folder and click on LIRN Library Database, it will automatically launch into Doral College's section of LIRN. LIRN stands for Library and Information Resources Network. And it's an online library that our students and faculty can use to find scholarly resources. All right, so here we are in LIRN's homepage, or main page. You can see at the top the different databases and sections and topics, groups that you can jump to by clicking on one of them. If you scroll down, they are listed individually. And each of these groups has many different databases inside of it. So for demonstration purposes today, I'm going to take you into health and medical, just so I can show you a few things, features that LIRN will give you. So most of these databases have the same features. So I'm just going to choose Yale Health and Wellness for today. I'm going to go into the search bar and type in acid rain. And as I begin to do that, you can see other topics start to drop down. So you could choose something that might be more appropriate or just go directly for acid rain, clicking enter. And these are the hits that pop up that have to do with acid rain. So a few things I want to show you. First of all, at the top of the page, there are different categories that come up. Reference articles, you can see there are 11 that have to do with acid rain in this particular database. News articles, magazines, academic journals, even videos and audio. You can always change databases by simply clicking on that button at the top. There are a few things you can also do. You can filter your results. I always have my results filtered for full text because while an abstract is helpful, it's not really what I'm looking for when I'm doing some serious research. Okay, so each of these topics that I showed you at the top has a few of them listed. There are the magazines, there's some videos and so forth. But if you click directly, for example, on reference, all 11 of those articles that deal with acid rain will come up for you. All right. So you can filter your searches to include documents that contain images and full text, as I said. So if this is an article that I want to use, first of all, I want to remind you about copyright date. We're looking for resources that are current that we can add to our projects and assignments. So if I click in acid rain directly, this first article, it takes me to the article, it opens up, and there's several different things that we can do up here at the top, but I wanted to show you the author information, the publishing information, the length of the document. You can translate it, change the font size, have it read to you. You can download it, email it to yourself, or save it on a Google Drive. So this particular article of acid rain has some pretty good information in it, even some images, origins of acid rain, and so forth. If I continue to scroll down, I'll see that the topic I typed in actually comes up in a different color font. Okay. Down at the bottom, I also have some other topics that might relate to acid rain, so make sure you check those out, and more resources and websites also at the bottom. The source citation is right here for you, but I will show you an easier way to get to the source citation. All right, one more feature I wanted to show you is also this Explore feature. I love this. Related subjects that relate to your topic you're searching. This can really be helpful to direct you to other areas that you didn't even realize might be good things to type in and to search for. Okay, so once I'm in this article, if this is something that I want to use, I can get the link. If I click on that, I can simply select it and copy paste it if I want to use that information. I can also cite the information. So just a reminder, when you are using somebody else's words, you want to make sure that you cite it because if you don't, that is plagiarism, of course, and we want to maintain academic integrity. So in this article, I have the choice of citing it MLA citation format or APA citation format. So just check with your instructor and see which format your instructor requires. Simply select it and then you can copy paste it. You can also export it to your Google Drive if you'd like to from this citation tools screen. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. You can also email this article to yourself, download it, print it, and even highlight and notate on it. All right, so another thing that I wanted to show you, if I breadcrumb back to my reference articles, is something called the topic finder. So again, I'm looking for acid rain in this case, but this topic finder is kind of a neat feature that Gale has, this particular database. If I click on topic finder, it takes that big picture of acid rain, that big umbrella topic, and it pairs it down into smaller subsections, if you will. And if you wanted to see specifically climate change related to acid rain, you can click on any of these and then more results pop up over here to the right. So I thought that was a really neat feature in this particular database. So to close, I wanted to again remind you, my name is Mary Odell, and I am your online librarian for Doral College. I am here to help you in any way that I can. If you have any specific questions, please do reach out to me. You can reach me at library@doral.edu. And I hope you have a very successful semester.